Hi, coming March 8th is Women's Day, right? I would like to share some few views, few feelings regarding women's on behalf of Women's Day in advance, right? Women's Day, why Women's Day is celebrating? Because for their all achievements, either political or in every sector, for their patience, courage, for what not, for every field. Now, in this present generation, women is there. Women is working. Okay, even in this COVID-19, in this pandemic situation also, so many women workers worked for the society, right? Like doctors, nurses, police, women police, army forces, pilots, everyone. See, even though this much of development of country, in this civilized country so called, even though still there are so many prejudices, so many old rituals are there for still women is facing so many difficulties like sexual harassment, okay, infertility, for this infertility giving divorces, okay, what not, less caring, discrimination between both genders, okay, facing difficulties in their work areas. Why all these? Everyone says on the Women's Day that every woman need to have women empowerment programs, right? If women should give some women empowerment, okay, then by giving all these counselings, women become strong. Women became strong by these all counselings. But if their family members, if their partner not willing, then where is the question of a woman empowerment here? Not willing to move forward, to move forward for her desires. Even if woman is empowered here, there is no use, right? What is my point here is, instead of giving counselings, instead of giving awareness for the women, there is equally needed awareness programs for men also, okay? Then only men will understand the women problems. Whatever the programs government is conducting for women for their development, mentally or physically or career wise, those are all counseling programs must need for the men also, to take her move forward to for her desires. Society is not only men, or society is not only for women. Society becomes when both men and women together equally cooperated, then only we can see a new nation or new society. Okay, what my sincere suggestion for the government, for any organization, if they are talking about the women empowerment, they must talk about men they must talk some counseling programs for men also, so that if they provide the counseling programs in whatever social awareness or legal rights or self-defense programs, whatever they are providing for women, the same programs must needed for men also to support the women. Then only they can understand the women problems and they can make women to take a step forward in this society. And one more thing I would like to share here is see, when a bad situation, when a bad thing happen, then all will discuss for a few days continuously on that incident, like Disha case, Nirbhaya case, okay, and they will forget instead of reacting or at the time of incident, or to make the woman very cautious when that situation really faces at that time, they need to think faster and act accordingly. For this faster thinking and acting accordingly in a bad situation, in a worst situations, they need daily nurturing programs on social awareness or legal rights or domestic violences or self-defense programs. All these are all programs, counseling programs, or should be incorporated as a subject in every organization or in a schools. Like every subject period, there is a one like science, social, English, maths, like that. These awareness programs, self-defense programs must be incorporated at least twice or daily, one period for each class, so that when the real situation need to face by any person, even men or women, they will act smartly on that particular time, right? So I sincerely suggest for each and every organization or institution, educational institutions, or any motivational counseling institutions, they need to, or my sincere appeal to the government to incorporate this as a subject, regularly throughout the year for all men and women. Because even if woman is strong, if man is narrow-minded, that doesn't work there. So both should be educated. Mentally. Both should be think broadly. So for both men and women, these programs are needed to be educated, to move, to make the nation newly. Okay. See, leadership and competency don't have any gender. Okay. All are equal. Feminism, all are equal. Okay, don't discriminate. Still there are so many people's acid harassments, everything we are still facing. Okay, anyhow, this program or this speech is a never ending process, as it involves so many practical issues. It is not a movie type ending with happy ending, right? We have to educate both men and women same time, and we have to educate not at once in a year or once in full moon. We have to nurture these as a subject in every organization throughout the year, uh, especially maybe weekly once at least, so that parents also needed to involve, family members, mother-in-laws, everybody should involve to educate. Every woman need to know their legal rights to protect themselves from the domestic violences. So all these are incorporated in that counseling programs. Okay, thank you, and happy Women's Day. Keep rocking, my dear women. Desire. Don't be afraid to take new challenges. Don't be afraid. Generally, women will afraid. They underestimate themselves. They have so much potential. Okay, but they underestimate themselves when a situation rises of taking a new responsibility. Don't be like that. You have so much of potential in you. Take that. Keep rocking. Be a successful woman. Prove to the world that I am the achiever. Okay? See you in the next video. Bye until then.